Namaste, dear friends, and welcome once again from my table to yours. There was some technological glitch, so I am starting a bit late. So, yes, dear friends, the lockdown has been lifted, and most of us are walking outside with guarded steps. As we step out in this guarded way, there is one loyal friend who is going to accompany us everywhere. This friend was with us even when we were in lockdown and came out with us whenever we stepped out. This is the same friend who is now going to come out with us wherever we go. In fact, we can't leave the house without him. This is our Mr. Mask. Yes, Mr. Mask is our loyal friend who we need to cherish for the rest of this year, or at least till Mr. Corona stays in the background. There are various kinds of masks. There is a reusable, sustainable mask and the disposable, non-sustainable mask. I'll explain in a while why I say this. For those of you who are health workers or frontline workers, of course, you need the special mask. But those of us who are into positive health, or who are into wellness and who are not so much in the front line, who are into corporate offices or F&B and other places where we don't really need the specialized mask, I suggest we use the cotton reusable mask. We will talk about how this mask is sustainable, but before that, let me explain how to take care of this mask. So we wear this mask every day to our places of work, and as we wear it, we exhale the droplets from our nose and from our mouth into the inner lining of the mask. This then breeds a lot of bacteria, lot of fungi, lot of other organisms, and so the next time when we wear this mask back again, we inhale all the organisms into our respiratory system. Now that's not in the least hygienic, is it? Also, it is a danger of we do have the danger of contracting these illnesses. So then, how do we take care of the mask so that it helps us take care of us? Well, what you have to do is wash this mask daily. So I suggest have 2 masks. Every night when I come home from work, I wash my mask with soap and water. Then if the sun is out, I sun dry it on weekends or I air dry it. Now, before I go to sleep, here in my clinic, we have made this spray which contains essential oils like tea tree, lemongrass, citronella, lemon, eucalyptus. I spray this onto my mask and hang it to dry. Not only my bedroom has the fragrance of these lovely essential oils which are antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral. They clean the air in my bedroom. Also, they get infused in my mask. So, next time when I step out and I wear this mask, I am inhaling clean air along with the essential oils which I have suffused in my mask through the spray, which is I'm inhaling tea tree, eucalyptus, I'm inhaling citronella, lavender, and even lemon. Isn't it nice? I carry around with me a whole aura or cloud of essential oil. Not only am I helping myself, but I'm helping all those people around me. Now imagine you enter an MRT, or a train or a bus, wearing a mask which is exuding the fragrance of essential oils. Wouldn't you and the whole place start the fragrance? Now, when there is a cloud of these protective essential oils around you, viruses, bacteria, why even vectors like mosquitoes will stay away from you, because dengue is making a stage comeback. And dengue is spread to the mosquitoes. All organisms in nature understand each other through the sense of smell. So if there is a smell which is not conducive to them, they will move away. So we infuse our mask with these essential oils which come from the spray. And if you don't have those essential oils, at least wash your mask every day, sun dried or air dried, so that the organisms that have stuck to it, the discharges from your nose and mouth which you have exhaled into it, are not inhaled into you the next day. What would happen if you reuse this mask, which is the disposable one? Well, for a few times it would work, but after that it would release fine fibers. These fibers are synthetic fibers and they are very, very lethal to your respiratory system. So when you used a disposable mask again and again, you inject these fibers into your respiratory system. And that's not very good. You don't have to be a doctor to understand that. Now, what would happen if you throw away these masks every single day? Well, you will create a whole lot of dump heap of bio non-degradable face mask. And the very reason why corona came in the first place, which is climate change, would further increase. Global warming would increase because our water bodies will be choked by this disposable face mask. Yes, you can throw it properly, but ultimately it's going to land up in your dump heaps. It's going to get into your water bodies. It's going to pollute water and land. And it is going to contribute to the climate change. So if not corona, you'll have another virus called Nakaru, which will stage a comeback. Then what are you going to do? So stay away from these disposable masks. Get creative. Those of you who have a talent to stitch masks, do stitch masks from reused fabric or nice new fabric. I have a patient of mine, Zenobia Tinwala, who has been making such beautiful masks and giving them to so many of her friends and little children. She says, I have a talent. Why don't I use it for everybody else? Right? So these are the masks that we need to use. Now what this is going to be our first line of control as we step out. But what is the body's first line of control? The body's first line of control is the nose. Our body has been designed in such a way that our nose acts as the first line of control against any organism, against any virus, against any bacteria, against any fungus, against any chemical that might want to enter our body. So when you come home from your work or from your play or from your socializing, whatever it is, remove your mask and do some breathing exercises. So close your nostril on one side and breathe out. Then close the other one and breathe out again. Open both and breathe out together. Mind you, when you are doing this fast breathing out, you're pushing in your abdomen with the same rhythm. Well, you could do further more complicated forms of pranayama, but under the guidance of a trained yoga teacher. Those of you who are in Singapore or even in other parts of the world, if you all want a good therapist, do reach out to us. We have contacts, we have associates who can help you. Or reach out to your friends who are yoga teachers and yoga therapists and ask them to teach you at least the simple pranayams so that you can clear your nose when you come home. Those of you who are already allergic and get more allergic with the mask and its fibers, or even this one and its fibers, do clean your nose. Clean your nose not with a nasal spray, but just rinse it with simple lukewarm water or use a normal saline nasal rinse. You could even do Jalaneti, which is very good but needs proper training. Otherwise, the water can get stuck in your sinuses. So by doing this, not only are you cleansing and clearing the air in your nose, but also in your sinuses. So you are taking care of the body's first line of control. You could also take steam with ginger and lime, adding the cover of the lime which has the lemon essential oil in it. As you take this steam, it will clear up your nose. But mind you, don't take steam and then go to sleep, because that adds to the discharge tickling down your throat. So have the steam before dinner and then have a nice warm dinner. All the nasal discharges will come out. Your nose would be nice and clean. This is the way we take care of not only our mask but also ourselves. So clear your nose, clean your mask, not just with water but through the sun, through the air and through all the essential oils. But then, as we were in lockdown, there were other masks who protected us at a mental level. These were lovely people who took care of us during lockdown. So let us thank them. Let us thank our families who took care of us and gave us the warmth of our home. And let us thank our grandparents and parents or family who were not with us but yet prayed for us. Let us thank each and every friend who did a Zoom call or a simple call and cheered us up through the gloom. There are so many beautiful people who selflessly gave during this time. I personally would like to thank my friend Rajeshri Lele and Shubha Shastri, who put beautiful pictures of sunset and sunrise every single day on FB. And as I worked with my patients way into the night, these things kept me connected. These pictures kept me connected with the sunrise and sunset happening outside. Then a dear patient, Deepa Ganesh, sang melodiously. There were many others who sang melodiously. Their voices touched the heart and cheered the soul. Then again, there were people like Tejali Ghanekar who started nutmeg notes to give out simple recipes to people so that they could hone their culinary skills. Whatever talent each one had, they contributed. Of course, I have to really comment about Ruby Shekhar, who took so many ladies through her demure drapes and sari challenges, inspired them to exercise. So as we were locked down, as we were going through gloom, these lovely people cheered us up. They were our mental mass. They were our first line of control from losing hope, from getting depressed, from feeling gloomy. So let's thank each and every one who became our mental mask and kept us glowing, kept us going through this doom and gloom. And so, dear friends, as you go forward and step out of your lockdown, remember to carry your mask. But when you come home, remember to wash your mask. Remember to sun dry it on weekends and air dry it every night. Remember to spray it with essential oils, so not only is your mask infused with those essential oils, but your home also has the fragrance. And wherever you go, you carry a cloud of essential oils around you. So all those viruses, all those bacteria, all those fungi, all those will stay far away from you. On that note, let us take care of our mass, let us take care of our health, and also let us take care of our environment and stay away from these disposable masks. Thank you and be safe as you walk out of lockdown. Thank you.